working and it's sleepless night. My don't love no
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, no man, blessed love and greetings. Shout out to all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lion, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Foot TV, another man of peace. Today we set at the violence of the streets. And I'm sorry for hearing the wind in the background. You know, it's Monday morning, and I mean, very windy. Out here do some exercise, you know what I mean? And that's, you know, turn on the phone car. Talk about squash. Andre Whittaker. Jano, I wish I was in his shoes. I wish I was in his shoes. You know, I talk badness. Nah, you know, the wrongdoings, musically. So I talk about squash. Zayn and some of the double standards. And some people where we see used to defend him are now criticizing him, chastising him, and saying give him life and him freedom and this and that. But before, they were the one who backing him and said people are tell lie on him. Zayn, we are forward.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Yo, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion Foot.
Bless up the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot to the world.
Lion Foot TV.
Oh, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot TV.
Big up Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot, you're so great, 'cause you're blessed by the Most High.
Yes man, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share. You know the man of peace, Lion Foot said, I will try to deal with life on a real life based settings. That's what I say. Speak truthfully, unbiasedly, and give our opinions. You don't have to agree, but you know what I mean? You're entitled to your opinion and leave your feedback. I know Lion Foot is always open to criticism. That's what I say. I'm not thin-skinned. That's what I say. Yeah man. So squash boy, may I tell us that big up his mother, you know, because you know the mother, his mom, she a part to blame as well, because you know she backed him right throughout like any mother would have done, you know, back their child, whether them in the wrong or them are the wrong things. Mothers and some fathers, some mothers, not every mother would have. Every mother back them child, but some mother don't. Like my mother does stand up foolishness. I went time I'm a fight. And my mother yes me a fight. My mother beat me on top of it. I don't mean I wrong, you know. You see me? So I saw me grow. You see it? You know, yeah, so squash. You see mother back him throughout. When she knows say me na wrongdoings and I do wrong and this and that, she still backed him and nothing wrong with that. As at the end of the day I feel belly pain. You see me? Yeah man, big up his mother say me. But squash now end up in a situation where he rode his luck. You know, he rode his luck and now the luck ran out and it's sticky and tricky on him. Zine. And this has to be, must be an example to other youths, not just artists, other youths, you know, to see and learn from. Say, like you're bad. One day the badness are going to run out, the freedom are going to run out, so it's either jail or dead house. Luckily for squash, he's behind bars because, you know, if I never behind bars, it would have led to his demise where, you know, a dirt settings. And one day, that would have been the making. I know we now wish bad upon no one, death upon no one, downfall on no one. It's just the truth. And you all know it's the truth. You see me? So, you see when I'm bridging, chop out with him, the man them out in life. I think I'm right and Parry, Zane, and a couple of people drop around him. You see the next one they name don't remember them name in the book. A German, yeah, German, they behind bars. Look at Shabdan behind bars. Enough other people behind bars. Who no drop out, they're behind bars. Now squash, When I say road is luck, remember he was arrested and he got released. See? And like he was still on the same path. Come back out and drop some monster song. Me like, yeah. I like him song them, Big Breeze and the whole of them shoot out. Even though them say a personal thing we go on him a sing about. But the song them bad at the end of the day, the song them nice. The rhythm them bad and the rhythm too, you know, make people like dance, you know. The rhythm, when you listen to the lyrics them too, can you know drum it dancehall? That is dancehall. Dancehall, them love the acidity and the badness in the dancehall. Enough man sing about badness with them not do. I never experienced. So when I say and someone sing it, because them live it, real. Vibes Cartel tell you, every song when you sing, you have things you mean, reality you mean, when you go through. Zine? Yeah. So, me like squash song, I'm not going to deny it. But that doesn't mean I support him wrongdoings and when I do foolishness and the gang war and them sitting there, and the funding and the gun shipment and all of them things that where allegedly them say he's been involved with. And now they must say since he has been arrested and the others them off the street, the crime rate is deteriorating in Mobile. And it's true, it's something I'm observe. Zine. So I say Squash Road is luck. Him get bail, come back out there in Miami and do him things same way. And them pull up on him again. This time them find gun, chip block that has been modified. And now, you know, because I see the bloggers them cover it on news and I'm going to read up about the laws, you know, the chip block thing. Once you modify a gun, you get a shop from a gun store, you go modify it, big trouble. Big trouble. I'm going to read up on it and see say a big trouble that is a law prosecution. You see, even if you own the gun and you modify it up and take rub off, see and make changes to it. Yeah. Speed Diddy is in the same scenario. Them found gun in an AK and whatever gun. And one of them has been modified as well. You see me? Serial number, rub off and baiting. He must have a big rapper. What am I doing that damn house? That's why I said them up to no good. So anyway, they're running past Squash again. Catch me in the car. Gun in the car. Zero. Yeah man, tell me say Squash never believe say them a watch him. This is how the feds them work in America, England, and I assume in Canada as well. Can confirm in Canada. I don't know about Canada, but I know America and England. I saw them work. I saw every police, every feds work, everywhere. Then, you want to Squash them, I don't say them I watch him. So I have to just try to stay up on the safe side. Remember, shooting going on, how much man dead, man get shot. Zine. And them name call up and them thing. They feel like the feds them now watching from them time there. Even before that, the feds them and the Jamaica feds them and America feds them now connect. And they say, yo, watch a boy, you watch him, eyes on him. And he has gotten away with a lot. We see him on Instagram, I show a gun, him and other people. I show, and once you go on social media and show that, the police detective them can track your whereabouts, track your location. And when they turn off your location, they still know where you're there. So don't feel like when you turn off your location by your phone, other individuals can't pick you up where you are, but the police can. They're satellite. See? We see it up time and time again in England. Enough man feel like say them live the lavish lifestyle. Police are watch them for all years. Tell them have enough evidence now for you gather. If it's alright, now is the time for your downfall. So that means that when they bring you to the court, you're not getting away, you get a big sentence. We see it happen a lot for all of the kingpin drug dealers them. All of the kingpin gun dealers them. So you tell me say Squash never say one day the bucket will go run out, drop out, and I'm going to come for him. Alright. To me, he has gotten many chances to step out of the league there. You know. He has gotten many chances to step out of that lifestyle. But then again, when you live in a lifestyle, it's hard to get out. When you're in too deep, it's hard to get out. You have to just live the lifestyle till the last day come, you know, whether unaliving, dirt settings or prison. So again, lucky for him, he's inside. So maybe that is a good cause for him, you know, to be inside. Make him live a little longer. I mean, I know enough man out for him. Enough people are for him, you know. Not just Jamaica alone, from other countries. You see me with them? Why me I tell you? Some say I wish I was like in squash position musically. Because squash do some big song, rich. I don't care what I do otherwise from music, if I scamming or whatever. But music, I know say, if they did free up for the music freely, would be a mega millionaire. Because I'm singing some big song and can't go perform them, cannot go nowhere. And it's so sad, you know. Now we are here, they say, I have to go play. And the feds have him now, which is a serious thing, which I have to go in a plea bargain, which is snitch. Is he going to be brave enough to turn snitch? Or he's going to tough it out and run off the time where he's going to get? We don't know, but let's see. You know, and for him to be an informant, he must come with, give them something worth it. Like somebody bigger than him, he must go give up. Who is the ringleader for the alleged gun them where them a ship guy yard and whatever. The white substance or what. He must go give up somebody bigger than him. Is he willing to do that? Is he gonna do that? Or is he gonna just rub off him time? I don't know, but it's sad. Sad. Last thing we're gonna talk about now enough. We see some people and some other vloggers, you know, come out of here. It's rare. And I remember some of them, I see some of them are cuss. And I say, yo, people bad mind, the youth them, you know, music the youth them I do. And enough of them I see attacking in the opposite way, you know. I say give him life, and if some of those people did help put out positive vlogs about squash and try to encourage him, maybe we don't think in himself and say true, you know. Because we all have a conscience and a subconscious. We know truth and right. We know when people talk facts, I can say a real thing, you know. Even though the ego we say a real thing but talk still, you know. No, if some of the vloggers them did come out and support squash and say squash, whether whatever, you know. But them defend him and say people tell lie on him and him nah do this, him nah do that. Him a violence producer, violence artist, and even the producers them, not for the violence producers them, that were proven right that they are that character. They got defended by some of the people them, same bloggers them and other patrons. And sometimes we are like saviors to some people, you know, by giving a positive message out of our mouth. You know, even if we don't approve, just try to send out a positive message, deliver it in a positive way where the person can look at themselves and say, true, you know, you're going to make a different approach or try to change. Because that's, you get me? I was going down the wrong path and that's how I changed. I was going on the wrong path of Jamaica, you know, as a garrison youth. And I was seen by an elder. I have sang about it anyway, I soon hear it. You see me? You know, big up bully. You see me? And the man see me the said man when Ghana is dead. The man called me and said, I go buy a quarter of bread. You see me? Miss Miracle, big up yourself and Miss Miracle. Rest in peace. Yushman mother. You see me? And him called me and I call key close. I say, yo, I see you last night in my uniform. I see you last night, you know. That's enough for you, you know. And that was the wake up call for me, you know, me change. You see me? I start go back down the right road. Cause I was going down the wrong road. And I was being groomed. I never know, so I groom me, I get groomed into badness. Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, man, sad for squash still, you know. I hope, wish him the best same way, you see me? Wish him all the best, and you know what I mean? I say it go, you know. One day, you know, you reap where you sow, you know. For me, I'm glad to the inside more than under the ground. Yeah, man. And that's how I'm going to end the vlog here, you see me? Big up on yourself, let me know what y'all think. And you can share this to him, mother, or somebody where, you know what I mean? Yeah, share this round, man. Share this round, man. To the youth of my mobile and Jamaica and stop your crime. You see me, I say, yeah, bro, God, I want to know. I'm going to talk on that next. So big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content. Peace out. I'm the man of peace. Blessed love.